guys, today it's Aubriana, Peyton, and me, and my dad. We have a special visitor, my dad.
Yo.
And we're making slime. I already made mine, she's making hers, and she already made hers. And first we started off with the glittery one, glitter. And now we're gonna do the glowing one.
Tomorrow.
What?
We're doing this one tomorrow.
Okay.
But I'm just putting everything in here so we have it all. Oh yeah, this is glow. It's got purple, or it's got green.
Green.
Pink.
Pink.
Let me see.
3 glow-in-the-dark ones.
Woo!
Yep.
Yellow.
So this is my slime. My slime. Hey Dad, can we put this in bed?
No. Why would we play with slime in the bed?
Is it?
Keep us busy.
Is it doing it?
What, baby?
I'm gonna feel.
Hold on, don't touch that, Aubriana.
I just touched
So now we got blue,
Blue,
glow-in-the-dark, pink, green.
pink, green.
All the contents to the new one.
This is us making
Oh, we
slime.
got white glue this time.
Yay!
We got clear. We got the cups.
Who's this?
We got the hardener.
One foul. One foul.
I got a green container. She got a little red container. She got purple container. So, oh, my slime got in here.
And the directions.
I just now noticed
Pretty
that.
self-explanatory.
No, I'm just gonna wait for it.
Almost done.
You gotta let it sit. That's what I keep telling you.
Taste.
Can I add it into there?
Peyton's
Yeah.
doing real good.
That's mine.
Oh yeah.
Wait, I want to play with mine. Can I get something to stir mine?
Allie, what are you talking about?
Wait, is there a spoon I can use to stir mine?
No, you can use this stick.
I don't have no stick.
I'll give you this one.
Okay.
Well, we got extras. Look at hers, almost done. A little bit more. It's just gotta dry a little bit more.
Jiggly.
Yeah.
Here's
What do you need, Allie? A stick?
a stick. I need a.
Here.
I don't know my stick. My stick. No little.
Sorry, throw that in yours.
So that's the end of our video, part 1, and this one was a little
Get
bit
everything
short
off here.
because I can't hold the recording video
There's your lid.
and do the same thing at the same time. So,
have my-
bye guys!
Bye, guys.
Almost, Pepe.
Bye.